Do you know you can convert files with OBS Studio? I use OBS Studio to record my screen when I record tutorials for my channel. I just recorded a tutorial and here is the file. If I right click and show you properties, it is MKV file. MKV files does not work in Premiere Pro, so we need to convert it to MP4. Now one thing is we can use some file converter, but why not just use the OBS Studio which we use to record this video? So let me show you how. OBS Studio is currently running and I am recording my screen using this. I will just click on File and Remix Audios. You need to copy this here, click, and I will paste it here, and this is the file. Open and just click on Remix. Done. Okay, close, and here is the MP4 file ready to edit. That's how simple it is. If you like this tip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.